Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to week 3 check-in. Wanted to share a couple things with you. I made some changes in your APA information here that we have, the APA research folder. And the reason why I made changes is because APA recently, last year, changed from Style 6 to Style 7. This is an update they do pretty much every few years that gives some changes to how we post papers and how papers are supposed to look. So if you'll take a look and click on some of the resources, you'll be able to see that Style 6 and Style 7 is pretty much the same thing. There's not a lot of changes, but there's some stuff that you want to be aware of. And the formatting should be subject to APA Style 7. I did include an APA sample paper, but it is in Style 6. You'll have to make a few changes to it to make sure it's in Style 7. But that shouldn't be too difficult for you. Let me pull up one more. So if you look here, this is a PDF of APA Style 7. You'll be able to find a lot of different resources here. Don't feel like you have to do a table of contents in your paper, of course, but everything should be outlined here that goes over what's needed. So it shouldn't be too difficult. You should be able to figure it out. You guys are really smart, so I know this is not going to be too terribly hard for you. But if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. I'm more than happy to help. Moving on. So we're on week 3. Be sure to watch the video that's due. You have the presentation material here. We're going to talk about how to improve writing and grammar, how to take ownership of grammar. It's a simple thing, right? It's something probably learned in grade school, but it's something that can be difficult for all of us. I struggle with things I say sometimes, like how do I phrase something? What words do I use to make it sound, efficient in my sentence structure? So this is a good chapter for you to review and just to have ready to go, so your communication can always improve. But if you need anything, please let me know. People are doing excellent so far. Remember to do your weekly review, which is due this week. So by Wednesday and Sunday, right? Initial post by Wednesday, reply by Sunday. Be sure to get that done. And once that's finished, make sure the material, of course, is reviewed before that. You should be good to go. Thanks so much.